اينشتاين بيقول التعليم مفهوش ملل، حط نفسك مكاني هتفقد الامل. ملينا المدرسة ونظام صب وكب، شرح طول الوقت عمل لنا دروب. يا استاذنا عقلي مش سبونج بوب، يشرب المعلومة وبعديها يكب. هنا في نوسكول طلعنا من الدروب، لعب مرح تفاعلات هتعجبك يا بوب.
نوسكول أكاديمي. Simply learn different.
Hello everybody, this is Miss Amal Gamal talking to you. Today we are going to have a math lesson. About what? About story problem, how to read the story problem and to understand and think what are we going to do with that, okay? And we are going to talk about addition, add, and subtraction, and number line. Okay, now let's see. Oh, we have a song. Okay, good. Scan, go ahead, scan and listen. So the story problem is talking about something and we need to understand and think what are we going to do with that. Okay, we have a girl named Sarah and she went on a picnic near the river. Okay, so we have a girl named Sarah going on a picnic near a river, as you can see. She saw two yellow flowers. She saw two yellow flowers. Can you see the yellow flowers? I can. Okay, then what happened? Then she saw two white flowers. So at the beginning, she saw two yellow flowers. Then she saw two white flowers. If I'm thinking about this as math problem, what can you tell me? Two yellow and two white flowers. So at the end, how many in all did she see? How many flowers did she see in all? So I'm thinking about the numbers, two yellow and two white. So it's an addition problem. I'm going to add 2 plus 2. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking about. So 2 plus 2 gives me 4. How? If I'm having 2 and 2, count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4. 4. We need to scan this again, but this time it's not a song. I need you to watch and learn. Another story? Sure, why not? Okay, I was walking in the park and I saw 4 apples on a tree. How many apples? 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. And I kept on going. Then I saw 6 picnic baskets. 6 picnic baskets. So I started with the 4 apples. Then I saw the 6 picnic baskets. So getting into my head, how many things did I saw today? What am I going to do? I saw 4 apples and 6 baskets. In all, what am I going to do? I'm going to add the 4 and the 6 together. So 6 and 4, they are 10. 10. Good job. We need to scan this QR code and we are going to practice the live worksheet. Have fun with that. This is a 10 template and we need to use the red dots to fill it to make a 10. We need to make a 10. If you do that, you will find that you have filled all of them. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you are filling this 10 template to have a 10. So I use the red dot to do that. So I am making a 10. So making a 10 in different ways. We have so many ways that we can make a 10. For example, if I have 2 cards like this, so I'm thinking if I started with 5, what more dots do I need to complete the 10? So if I have 5 in one card, the other card, what's after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I need 5 on the other card. So I'm going to start with one card and complete to make a 10. We need to make a 10, not any number, make a 10. 2 different cards. This time I started with 3 only. I started with 3 only. What more dots do I need to complete to make a 10? So I start putting the dots and I made 6, no, 7. Yes, I made 7 on the second card. So I have 3 on one card and the other card is 7. So this is another 10, another shape of forming a 10. More examples? So many. There are so many examples. I'm just using few of them. So if I started with 4, like the apples, remember? How many baskets do you remember we counted? We counted 6. So 4 and 6 make a 10. Another example? Sure, why not? This time I started with a big number like 8. So I have 8 already. What's after 8? I need to finish, to complete, or to make a 10. What's after 8? 9, 10. So how many do I need? 2 dots only. So I have 8 and the 2. So 8 and 2 makes a 10. This is an example in your book that you need to use. Make your own problem, and this is page 104 in your book. So practice and let me know what did you do. Great job, everyone. Another QR code? Sure, why not? So this is more practice on numbers. I told you math is about practice, practice, practice. Okay, we have another template for making a 10, and I need you to show me a 10. How? How will you show me a 10? Go ahead and try. Pause and try by yourself. Okay, this is different. We have something that we call a number line. A number line starting from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 10. Okay? So if I'm thinking that I need to add numbers, I'm going to start counting from the 0. Yes, because I'm starting to count, because I'm adding. So I'm starting counting from the 0. For example, if I have 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. Okay, moving from the 0 to 1, this is 1. This is one jump. Jump? Yes, you are jumping from the 0 to 1 by one jump. So this is the one that I'm talking about. Plus 2, I need to make 2 jumps. So I started with one jump, one arrow like this from the 0 to 1, one jump. Then I'm going to jump twice, 2 times. From 1 to 2 is another jump, and from 2 to 3 is the second jump. So I'm making 3 jumps. I'm making 3 jumps starting from the 0. Starting from the 0. Okay, as you can see, 0 to 1, this is one jump. 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So the equal, as you can see, I have reached the number 3. So this is my equal. Yes, see how easy it is? So think again. I need to think about how many jumps on the number line. This is another example. Also, I'm going to start jumping from the 0. Okay? You want to jump? Sure, why not? Go ahead and jump. Okay, we have the number line, and we are going to start from the 0. 2 jumps first, because it's 2 plus 3. So I'm jumping twice. From 0 to 1, one jump. 1 to 2, jump number 2, and 3 more. So I'm jumping from 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. This is 3 more jumps. What is the number at the end of these jumps? Number 5. Is this my equal? Yes, it is. Okay, so I'm jumping twice, then I'm jumping 3 times. So the equal gives me 5. I have reached the number 5. Another example? Sure, I told you math is about practice, practice, practice. So I started with 2. This is easy. From the 0 to number 2. So this is 2 jumps. I reached number 2. Then I have 2 more. So I'm jumping from 2 to 3 and from 3 to 4. 2 more jumps. What is the number that I have at the end? 4. Okay, so this is my equal. This is my equal. So 2 plus 2 on the number line equals 4. Okay, now I have an empty number line, and please, I want you to try. Make your own addition problem and use the number line to help you to solve it. Okay? Go ahead and try. Oh, now we have dots. Sure, why not? Like the dots we had with the 10. So we are making a different kind of dots. We are going to choose this time by myself. I have all the numbers from 1 dot till 10 dots. Can I choose all of them? No, I want you to make a 10. For example, if I'm choosing 4 dots and I made a circle around them, what is the other dots, set of dots that I'm going to choose? Do you think what? Which one? If I'm choosing starting from 4, so I need what to make it a 10? 6, so I'm choosing the set of 6 dots and I'm going to circle it. So I have 2 sets now, 4 and 6 to make a 10. 4 plus 6 make a 10. Another example, I have 2 dots to start with, and how many more dots do I need to make a 10? 2 plus 8. So I circled the 2 sets. 2 dots in one set, and the other set is 8. Excellent. Another example, sure, why not? Practice, practice, practice. We have, this time, I'm starting with 3 dots, the green ones. Okay, I put it in a set. This is what I started with. What do I need to make a 10? I have 3 already. I need a 7. Okay, so 3 plus 7 equals 10. So this is making another 10. Okay, I need you to guess. I'm hiding some numbers and I want you to guess what number is missing. What is missing? I have 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. See, I stopped at the missing numbers under the red card. So easy. You can count. If you count after each other like this, you will easily find the missing numbers. See, there it is. So the missing numbers were the 2 and the 5 and the 8. Good job. More dots. Yes, sure, why not? Counting the dots, and I need you to write the number in the box. Okay? So the first set is, and the second set is, and next we have, and then we have, okay. So what are the numbers for each set of dots? Okay, we have 4 and 5 and 3 and a 2. So easy. Thinking about another concept for using the number line. Okay, in addition, we started from the 0 and we keep on jumping until we finish all the jumps. And then we have the equal at the end. This time, it's different. How? We are subtracting. If in addition, we are jumping forward. In subtraction, we do the opposite. We jump backwards. Really? Yes, jumping backwards. It's subtraction. So, what are we going to do? Let's see. If I have a problem like this, I have 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, what should I do in subtraction? I'm going to start with number 3. I'm going to stop at number 3 and go backwards. How many jumps? 1 jump only. 1 jump backwards. What do I have? A 2. See? Easy, simple, and you can do it by yourself. Again, one more time. If I have the number line to work on and I need to subtract, I'm going to start with the first number, which is the big number in subtraction. I have 3 and 1. 3 minus 1, the big number is 3. I'm going to start at 3 and go backwards the number of jumps that is the smaller number, which is 1. So I go backwards 1 jump. So what do I find at the end? A 2. So 3 minus 1 equals 2. Another example. Again, I'm going backwards. A number of jumps. I'm going to start at 3 because 3 here is the big number that I need to go back from. So I started at 3. And how many jumps backwards do I need to do? 2 jumps because I have 3 minus 2. So going backwards 2 jumps, I'm going to reach number 1. So this is my equal. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Another example, practice, practice, practice. Okay, remember, we need to go backwards. We are jumping backwards in subtraction. Where do I start? I start from the big number. Again? Yes, sure. So this time I have 5 minus 2. I'm going to start at the big number, which is the 5. Okay, go ahead, stop on 5. Then we are going to jump backwards. Tum, tum. How many jumps? 2 only. Okay, so if you jump twice, from 5 to 4, this is 1 jump. And from 4 to 3, this is the second jump. Where do I stop? I stop at number 3. So this is my equal. 5 minus 2, jumping backwards equals 3. Okay? So this is another practice for you. I need you to try by yourself. Try to make your own subtraction problem and jump backwards and tell me what you did. Okay? Another story? Sure, why not? There was 6 apples in the picnic basket. Okay? There's a picnic basket in the garden and 6 apples inside. And there were 2 children around and they need to eat. They were hungry. So each child, they ate 1 apple. Okay, can you see the apples in their hands? They took one from the picnic basket, the girl and the boy. So they ate the 2 apples. How many left in the basket? As you can see, if you can count properly, 1, 2, 3, 4. They ate it and there's only 4 left in the basket. This is also another kind or another shape for subtraction, taking away from something. So this is 6 minus 2 equals 4. We have 4 apples left in the picnic basket. This thing I need you to do and practice through 10 days. Can you do that? Okay, we have this blue square and I need you to fill for each day 10 of these. For day 1, day 2, each day you are going to fill 10 squares, okay? Day 1, day 2, day 3, all the way till 10 days, yes. You have something better to do? I need you to practice this and tell me at the end how many do you have. Now I want you to watch this QR code. It's a video and I want you to enjoy. It's really fun. Your project for today is make your own story problem and draw. You're going to draw your story problem in your sketch, okay? Make it simple like the apples or whatever thing that you're going to do. Make it just simple. I want you to draw and try to make your own story problem. What did we learn today? So we learned about something called story problem, as we have explained before, and the number line and how to add on the number line or just adding by counting the numbers in 2 cards. And we learned how to subtract on the number line or like in the story problem. Okay? For the next time, please, I need you to bring your sketch, a magazine, glue, and scissors. You know what we're going to do with that? The same thing. We're going to cut pictures and paste them using the glue into the sketch. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.